Hello guys, I'm going to explain the MetaTrader 5 interface to you. Okay, it's quite simple and you are going to understand it from this short video. But you might be wondering what the boom and crash is all about. You see boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, volatility and all of this. So if you are wondering what they are called synthetic indices. Okay, this is a kind of a market you trade without fundamental analysis. It's like forex, but it's quite different and it is way easier to trade. And as a matter of fact, I do give signals away for this. Okay, free signals. If you go to my Telegram group, the link is going to be in the description below. Okay, so you can join my Telegram group. So I make market analysis. Okay, I make market analysis every time in the morning or in the evening, so you can know the potential market movement and setup for the day, and you can go ahead and trade confidently by doing little or no research. Okay, alongside with what I've dropped for you. So 24 hours ago, I dropped a market analysis and I took a live trade. Okay, a live trade, that is a signal. Okay, and that gave us $11. Okay, $11 right here. So if you want to participate in this opportunity, I only give it on boom and crash alone. So join my Telegram group and also click the link below. Okay, to create your boom and crash account. Okay, it's from Deriv. There are reputable brokers. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description below for you guys and you can create your account right away. Now let's get back to MetaTrader 5 interface. Okay, so if you connect another broker to it, for example, Deriv also offer normal forex, okay, like currency pairs. So let me go here, and I think this is my currency pair account. Okay, but it's a real account. Okay, so that's my currency pair account, and you can see it's bringing out the metals. Okay, you can see the metals. So I can go ahead and add to it. Okay, if I click on this plus right here, I could add to it. Okay, you can see metals. You click on metals, you see them. You see energies, you see cryptos. Okay, you see equities, you see forex major. Okay, so you can see the forex major, you can add them to it. Okay, so the MetaTrader 5 interface is very awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the normal page and I'm going to explain this to you. So first we have here, okay, that shows the quote. All these, okay, they are the quotes. The second thing we have is this right here, okay, the chart. Okay, so if you click on it, it's going to show you the chart. So I'm going to click on chart right now and we are going to see the chart. Okay, so this is the chart right here. Okay, this is the chart right here. Then if you click on trade, okay, if you click on this one, trade right here, it's going to show you if you have any trade or the last trade you've taken or stuff like that. Okay, so if you click on history, it's going to show you the history and message. Okay, so now what other things you need to understand is how you can use indicators. Okay, how you can use indicators on this MetaTrader 5. So basically, once you open MetaTrader 5 up like this, if you click on the screen, it's going to bring a circle. Okay, so you can see the circle right here. Once you tap the screen, it's going to bring this circle. Okay, and from here you can choose the market time frame. We have 1 month time frame, we have 1 week time frame, we have day 1, that's 24 hours time frame, we have 4 hour time frame, we have 1 hour, we have 30 minutes, we have 15 minutes, we have 5 minutes, we have 1 minute, and that's the lowest you can go. Okay, 1 minute. Then if you click on here, okay, this icon right here, you can choose some things to add to the chart, probably like trend line and the likes. Okay, so here is setting, here is to add horizontal line like this to the chart, and this here is for indicators. Okay, so the time frame, I'm going to take them away and we are going to start from these indicators and go all the way here. Okay, because those are the things you need to understand. So I'll take it away and I'm going to start from indicator. If you click on this F, which is for indicators, you click on it, it's going to bring you out to this page. Okay, so you can go to the main chart. Okay, I'm going to delete all of this indicator so that you understand how it is without an indicator. Okay, so I'm going to delete all of this. So if I go to the F, so it shows all the indicators like this. Okay, under trend, it is categorized. Under the trend, we have AVDMI, okay, average directional moving index. We have Bollinger Bands, we have envelopes, we have Ichimoku Kinko Hill, we have moving average, we have parabolic SAR, we have standard deviation. Okay, under oscillators, we have average true range, we have BS power, boost power, commodity channel index, we have the marker, we have forex index, we have MACD. Okay, so if you move down again, we have momentum, we have moving average oscillator, we have relative strength index, we have relative vigor index. Okay, so you can see a lot of indicators. So, and I explain how you can use these indicators for your chart as well, so you can check my other videos. So under the volumes, we have accumulation and distribution, money flow index, unbalanced volumes. Then under Booleans, we have accelerator, alligator, awesome oscillator, fractals. Okay, let me scroll down a bit. Then we have gator, oscillator, and we have market facilitation index. Okay, so those are the indicators. So go back to the home page. Now if you want to learn how you can use the indicators, subscribe to this channel. You can watch my other videos. So we're back to the home page, and we click on the home page again. We tap on the home page, and the circle is going to appear, and the next thing we're going to go is here. Okay, this one here, because we've explained the indicators already. So we'll go to this second one right here, and let's click on it and see what it's like. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, once you click on it, you can see that it brings out the line. So you can basically use it to measure some chart. Okay, let's say I want to measure the number of pips, okay, from this top to this place. Okay, so I can basically take the chart up here, okay, and pull it down. Okay, separate it. Okay, you can separate it by holding one down and pulling the second one. Okay, so you can basically use it to know any point of the market. Okay, that's basically what that is going to do. So I'm going to delete it. Let's see. Okay, so you can take this away using this. You can see it has a shortcut right here, so you can easily click on here and you can click it out also. So let's click on here and we go to the next one. The next one is this settings right here. Okay, so you can do a lot of settings like your candle color, the background color, the grid, and all of that. Okay, that can be done in the candle and the settings. Then, so I don't want to waste time on the settings, so let's go here. Okay, let's go here. So click on here, and you can see that we have a lot of things. Okay, you can see that we have favorite objects, we have this straight line, we have this trend line, this horizontal line, we have this angle right here, we have this we can use this on the chart as well. Okay, we can use it for the chart, and we have this. Okay, so we have a whole lot of things you can do here. So let's try to use this one on our chart. Okay, so now I'll just click on it. Okay, if I click on it, I can open it. Okay, so you can open your chart and do some kind of things with it. Okay, depending on how good you are with the chart. Okay, so you can put that on your chart. So that's basically one of the things you can do on MetaTrader 5. Now the important thing is you need to log in your broker account first. Okay, you need to log in your broker account. So how do you log in your broker account? Okay, it's quite simple. Once you click on here, okay, you click on here. Let's click on that. You click on here, there's a drop down. Okay, there's a drop down, and you can see this one says derivative server. So that's my broker. So you can click on manage accounts. Okay, so you can see I have so many accounts here. I have one here, I have one here, I have one here. So you click on right here, you click on this plus, okay, to add a new account. So if you click on this plus, I'm going to click on it. Let's see. If I click on it, then I need to find a broker. Okay, so probably let's say my broker is Deriv or SNES. So if you type it out, it's going to bring out your broker name. Okay, then you are going to enter the details of the broker, okay, of the MT5 login your broker gave to you. Okay, your broker is going to give you an MT5 login details. Okay, you set the password yourself, they give you a login ID. So you click, for example, take a look at this. Okay, let me close this so you can take a good look at my account. Okay, if I click on here, so you can see, for example, you see I have a login ID right here, then and a password I set myself. So I'm going to input that into this, and I click on sign in. Once I click on sign in, it's going to sign in. Okay, once the details is correct, it's going to sign in, and I have my account, okay, on MetaTrader 5. So whichever trade you are taking right here is appearing in your broker side. Okay, so that's basically all you need to know about the MetaTrader 5. Okay, so the link to create your account for Boom and Crash is going to be in the description below and in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me through WhatsApp and get the link. Okay, because my WhatsApp number is down there below. And also, if you want to get analysis, okay, or signals on how you can trade the Boom and Crash, okay, create your accounts and join my Telegram group. Okay, that's where I drop the signal and market analysis. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.